Did you recently download any cracked software? Was the website you visited obviously untrusted? Have you pressed yes, I allow on that admin prompt? Your system now seems to be booting up slower, but you don't see any signs of malware because other files are still there. But malware doesn't only delete files. It can use your system for crypto mining, and in the worst case scenario, it can spy on you. Literally, it can disable the webcam LED, turn on your camera, take pictures of you, and listen to everything you say. As for your keyboard, forget about it being secure. Keyloggers are a real thing. Today, I'm going to show you how you can scan your OS completely without using any kind of antivirus software. Instead, we're going to hack your OS just to prove that it is safe. For this process, you'll need another laptop or a Linux machine, but if you don't have one, just download any VM software and run it from there. Remember to change your network type to bridged. This video is focused on cybersecurity awareness, and we're continuing our hacking series with it. If you're ready to learn something new that you can apply in your real life, stay and watch until the end, because I got something interesting for you. Let's jump into hacking our own machines. First, if you're using Windows 10, 11 or any other edition, I want you to disable Windows Firewall and Windows Defender temporarily. Why? Because we're going to scan for open ports on your machine. Sometimes when you use a tool like Nmap, scanning can be blocked, so the results may not be accurate. After you disabled your Firewall and Defender, switch to your Linux OS, which we're going to use from now until the very end. First, let's open the terminal with sudo. Type in your password and check if you have Nmap installed. Type Nmap and hit enter. If you get an output, you're good to go. However, if you get an error, type sudo apt install nmap. And if you're on Arch, use sudo pacman-s nmap, and on Fedora, use sudo dnf install nmap. Now we need to identify the target's IP address. To do that, open Task Manager on your Windows machine, go to the Performance tab and find Wi-Fi. At the bottom, you'll see your IPv4 address. Remember it. In my case, it's 192.168.1.4, and yeah, I used the DHCP reservation for that one because I deserve a special place. Okay, now go back to your Linux and type this command: nmap space -ss space -a space -p space -t5 and paste your IP here. Hit enter and wait about 450 seconds. If you think that's a long time, just remember that the T5 parameter is there for the fastest possible scan. Without it, this process could take 12 hours or more. But since we are doing this on a local network with no rate limiting, we can do whatever we want. But hey, keep this inside your lab only. Don't perform these scans on public servers. Do it only if you know what you're doing. I don't want to be blamed for teaching you pre-hacking behavior. You've been warned. Great, the report is back. Copy everything into a text file and let's edit it. At the bottom you'll see parts containing your OS name, MAC address and version. You can remove that if it's correct. If it isn't, you scanned the wrong machine. Now we need to filter out the open ports. You can see every single detected port here. Most of them are blocked, which is good. We also have filter ports. You can delete those from the text file too. Now, we are left only with open ports and the processes running on them. Let's return to our Windows target. Open the CMD and type one command: netstat space -ano. Here, you'll see every single port associated with a process ID or PID. Let's type netstat space -no pipe find string followed by the number of our open port. We can see that this port is running a service with a specific process ID. Open Task Manager again, go to the Details tab, sort by process ID, and we can see that svchost is running with the same process ID. If you open the file location, we see it's inside System32, meaning it's a legit system service and not a virus. Now go and check all your ports. Find their process ID, the service they're running, and search them online if you need to. If you find anything unusual, feel free to ask in the comments or join our Discord community. We answer all questions, nothing should stay hanging in the air. I just finished checking all my ports, and every process is located in System32, meaning I'm safe. Most harmful code lives outside that folder. Also, know that some processes might have stopped by the time you check. So if Netstat gives you no output for a port, just move on to the next one. Now you might ask, okay, but what exactly did you just do? How do I know I'm safe? Well, most malware immediately destroys your system by encrypting data, overwriting the bootloader, or deleting your registry. Usually, this happens within minutes or hours of running a suspicious file. By following this process, you're checking if there is an established connection from your PC to somewhere else. This could be reverse engineered to, theoretically, hack the hacker back. But if they're smart, they'll use anonymous hosting. If you have no suspicious established connections, I'm glad to say you're safe. Your webcam, microphone, and keyboard are not being logged or sent anywhere. As promised, I'll show you something interesting. The idea for this video came from something unusual. I was doing research on jailbroken AI models, and I found one. It has no security filters at all and gives you whatever you need, even harmful code or hacking procedures. I decided to install it, and it works. I must mention that it requires an extremely powerful PC. Even with 16GB of DDR5 RAM and 8GB of VRAM on my 5070, it still uses an additional 50GB of page file. That's insane. But I'm proud to say I officially have a fully offline AI with no security filters. It feels illegal to own something like that. If you have any questions you want me to ask it, shoot them in the comments or on Discord. Subscribe, like the video, and check out my other cool stuff. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.